In this video, you will learn how to add the photo in your profile within the Zoom app. Step 1. Open the Zoom app. You need to sign up if you're using it for the first time. And if you already have an account, you need to sign in. Once you will sign in, you will see this kind of a screen. Click the settings, which is on the bottom right. In this, you need to click your profile, which is the first row. Here you will have all the settings which you can change in your profile. In this tutorial, we are only learning how to change the profile photo or how to add a photo in your profile. So you need to click your profile photo. It will give you two options: change the profile photo by taking a photo or by choosing a photo from your galleries. So you need to select the one which you want to do. In my case, I'll select choose photo. From your gallery, you need to select a photo which you want to add in your profile as your profile photo. In this case, I'm going to select this first photo, which is scenery, and then you need to click this tick mark or check mark which is on the top right. In the next step, it will ask you to crop the picture by using the default app, or if you have the photo editing apps on your mobile, it will ask you to select one out of them. I have Google Photos and Snapseed available, but I'm going to select the default and I'm going to open this. While selecting the photo, you need to remember that this circular bright area will be visible as a profile photo, so you need to bring your picture right in the center of the circle. Once you're satisfied, you need to press this check mark which is on the top right, and your profile photo will be changed, as you can see here. So this is how you can add a photo in your profile within the Zoom app. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.